Hey, how's it going? My name is Krishan Jones, and welcome to my website, krishanr.weebly.com. And this is the first page about me, Krishan Jones. The future is bright. All right, about me. I am a funny, outgoing, humble, side-caring college student. I attend the University of Memphis. I graduated from Wooddale High School in 2017. I am a future owner. For more information about me, you can follow me on all my social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. All right, down here, just some cool, interesting pictures about me. Feel free to look at them as long as you want to. All right. My next page will be professional profile. All right. My major is sports and leisure management. It basically is the study of sports management. And on the first button you can click on, it will take you to my school website, the University of Memphis. It will take you to the major that I'm taking up here, and you can scroll and it can tell you more information about my major. All right, and my second button you can click on right here. Here gonna take you to like a 4-year plan of classes, degree sheet. Um, it'll take a little minute to load. It tell you from first year what classes you can take, so you can be on track to the second, on to your third, and to your fourth year. As you scroll down a little bit, this is my employment. I used to work at Planet Fitness as an instructor, and now I work at Domino's as a delivery driver. And my future dream jobs will be working for the Boston Celtics or the Los Angeles Chargers. And right here, you can click on this button to look at my resume. Interests and affiliations. Right now, I play semi-pro for the East Memphis 49ers. Also, I play flag football for the 66ers. There's another team that's located in Memphis. Um, I do have a YouTube channel with my girlfriend called Gavin Rocket TV. Feel free to watch and subscribe and comment, like, all that. Yes, and down here's a quick video of my football highlights from me playing with the Memphis Wizards last year. Now, contact. This page where you can contact me. Right here, my name is Krishan Jones. Here got my address. You can mail me anything like a letter or something, whatever you want to do. And here goes my phone number to call or text me for any questions. And just to let you know once again, if you have any question, please feel free to call, text, or send any message through my social media accounts or through my phone number. And this will conclude my presentation. And thank you for hearing me out.